Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some exciting news. I'm leaving for my study abroad trip to South Korea in 5 days. I'm studying abroad there at Yonsei University, which is like one of the top schools in Korea. So I just wanted to do another room tour before I leave for Korea. So yeah, without any further ado, let's hop right into it.
그 긴 밤이 널 따라 흘러만 가는 것 같아.
Starting off from this BTS wall, I have my You Never Walk Alone poster, and then I have many different Polaroids of the boys. And this is a gift I got from my best friend Bonnie. She handmade this for me. And if you guys don't know, I have a business called MXL Outfitters and I sell K-pop merch. And I will link it down below for you guys. Here I have another BTS poster. This one is the Love Yourself one, and then down here I have the Blood, Sweat, and Tears poster with photo cards and Polaroids. And then I have a little poster of Youngjae. And these are all my pillows. This is my Yixin doll, and this is my RM doll, and I really want to take one of them with me when I go to Korea. But I don't know which one to take. I love them both, but I don't really want to take two of them. Leave a comment below and tell me which one you think I should take. Like my little EXO wall. I have this pillow right here that reminds me of Yixin. So over here is just a table with other K-pop stuff on it. This is Jimin candy that I got from SM Town. And I have some like little perfumes here, and there's like Captain America like hamster stuffy. I don't really know what this is called, but it's cute. And I love Captain America. And I also have this June photo card and this cute watercolor portrait of Jimin. And then I have my army bomb and my two little figurines. Yeah, Tae and J-Hope are my biases. And I have a Tae fan and an EXO block. It's just like a glass block. I also have these EXO macaroons that I never ate them because they're so pretty. So behind my bed I have my cardboard cutout of Namjoon and Tae, and my mom got this for me for my 18th birthday and it's like my favorite thing ever. Visual. And over here is my 17 wall. I got all of the posters from their albums, and these photo cards came with the albums as well. And then this I got at Diamond Edge in Chicago. I also got this at Diamond Edge in Chicago, this Wonu fan. And then I made this Mingyu flower crown to wear at Diamond Edge. And here's more 17 posters. I also got this fan at 17 Diamond Edge as well. And if you can't tell, my biases are Mingyu and Wonu. Mimi. And I have my Polaroid camera. And you have little photo cards. And my mirror. And then I just have a whole bunch of Mingyu photo cards. And here's one of Mingyu and Vernon. And I have a Mingyu necklace, some buttons. These are me and my friends. And I have my little bonbon next to my little Mingyu standee. And then over here I have a whole bunch of BTS stuff. Here's Jin, Jimin again, Jin, Jungkook. And then that's me and my little brother when we were babies. Over here I have my K-pop albums and my little platypus piggy bank. And I have my BTS stands, little tiny BTS stands. And I have scoops and Wooji over here. And this is my laptop. And this is the suitcase that I'll be living out of for the next 6 months when I'm in Asia. And over here, I have a little Blood, Sweat, and Tears poster. And then I have a Love Yourself poster. And then You Never Walk Alone poster. And all of these are just little Polaroids of BTS. And there's Ryan. And now we're gonna go into my bathroom. Hey guys. So I have a little BTS poster here, and then I have an elephant made out of paper mache, and then I have Wonu, and I have these little cat ears for when I do like face masks and stuff. They're super cute. And then this is what my sink looks like. These are my glasses, and that's my Bluetooth speaker. Another BTS poster, and I have more BTS Polaroids in my bathroom. And I have this painting that I did last year, and I also made this painting last year. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in one of my vlogs when I'm in South Korea. Bye!